Kevin the Explorer crawls into the depths of the Cave of the Dead. The treasure he seeks, the elixir of the sun. Dad, the songbird!
Kevin, there you are. Your dinner's getting cold.
Mom, I'm looking for the elixir of the sun.
Oh, you and your orange drink. Go on, shoot.
Mom!
There it is, right behind the mustard.
That's how she grows kale juice.
Oh, why is it gray?
Double X! Run!
Honey?
I should really tidy up around here. Oh! Whoa!
Hold on, Mom!
Golly! Butter slop! Stop!
This can't be! If the legends are true, aha! Then that means... Eureka! Whoa! The elixir of the sun! It's gotta be the fabled kingdom of Door. But wait, I need to find my mom first. Yes, the legends are true! A wall within a wall! Wow, look at all
It's just
this!
our pores have gotten big in older age.
Mom?
Oh! Hi, Kevin. I was wondering when you'd get here.
Dad?
So much hot sauce.
Just exactly whose fantasy is this?
Kevin!